How to use Smart DIY key to create a new key by 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. Turn on the machine at first. This is motorcycle key. We will learn how to create it. Click the DIY key and select Smart DIY key. There are several types. We have to find the same shape with the original key, inner groove key, and 4 tracks. The key has shoulders. We selected the shoulder option. Please measure the key thickness. The thickness is less than 2.8 millimeters. Here, click Identify. Please install the original key, depending on the guide picture. Use stoppers to put against the shoulder. Remove the stopper and tighten the knob. If it's ready, please click Continue. This step is to identify the depths and positions of the key smartly. Here we have to adjust the positions of the keys. Click Adjust. Please check the key how many positions. The key has 4 positions. Here we should change it into 4 positions. Click minus, and it will be 4. It is okay and modify the position. Please keep touching the lines and pull them in every middle of the positions. Every position has the same distance. It seems okay and go for the next step. Install the original key on the clamp again. Tighten the knob. If it's ready, click OK. The step is to confirm the key data if it's right. Please check if the probe touches in the middle of the positions. If it is in the middle, it means this step is right. The key data is created successfully. These figures are key depths. Click Next Step. Go on Next Step. Click Next again. Here, name this key and you can remember it. For example, my bike. Brand name is Sun. If all information is okay, please click OK. If using it right now, click OK or Cancel. The key data is saved in My Key option. If you want to use it, please select it. No matter cut by bidding or all keys lost. Then we will check if it is accurate and how to modify it. The first depth that I measured is 234. The second is 164. The third is 94. The next step is how to modify the data and make it more accurate. Enter DIY key. Click My Key. If we want to modify the key data, please click Edit. Click Edit. Slide downward. Here we can modify the key depths. The first is right. The second is 164. Please input it. Here we can click a Calculate automatically. The third result is appeared automatically. Click OK after checking. Finally, we will cut keys by bidding via this data. Enter this key data. Install the original key on the clamp. If installation is ready, click OK. And then click Identify. Continue. The machine is decoding the key. Key biddings appeared. Install the key blank on the machine. If ready, click OK. Continue. One side is finished. Please install the other side. Both sides cutting finished. Compare them. All positions and depths are the same. Try to turn the lock. Original key. The created key is perfect.